Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I am at Pencoed. We're going to be seeing services from Transport for Wales and Great Western Railway. So yeah, let's get into the video. Passing through there was 800-013 and 800-010 on a Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Carmarthen. Passing through now is a Transport for Wales service from Swansea to Cardiff Central. That's 153-312 and 153-325. Passing through now is a Great Western Railway service from Swansea to London Paddington. And that was 800-306. Passing through now is a Transport for Wales service from Carmarthen to Cardiff Central. That's 197-115. And passing through now, we have some freight. And that was 66-131. And passing through now very slowly is a delayed Transport for Wales service from Cardiff Central to Milford Haven. This train is running about 14 minutes late. And it is 197-004. Got held at a red signal just outside of the station due to that freight train that passed through last. So that's why it's going slowly, because it's not got back up to speed yet. Arriving now is a 1240 Transport for Wales service from Cheltenham Spa to Maesteg. And this one is 197-101. The shot of this train departing out is not going to be amazing due to the staggered platforms here at Pencoed, but I'll try my best. And departing out all the way down there on the other platform is the 1240 Transport for Wales service from Cheltenham Spa to Maesteg. Arriving now is a 1244 Transport for Wales service from Maesteg to Gloucester. And this one is 197-042. Departing now is a 1244 Transport for Wales service from Maesteg to Gloucester. Passing through there was 802.002 and 802.014 on a Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Swansea. Passing through now is a Great Western Railway service from Carmarthen to London Paddington. And that was 800.006 and 800.014. Passing through there was a Transport for Wales service from Manchester Piccadilly to Carmarthen. That was 197.006. Passing through there was a Transport for Wales service from Cardiff Central to Swansea, 197.050. And that is going to be the final train in this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you all very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.